We're rolling and twisting Fillo Pastry to make one of our family's favourite recipes, Miriam's apple and custard Fillo twist. Lay 2 sheets of Fillo Pastry onto your bench and butter well. Spread a thin layer of custard onto the pastry, followed by a line of apple slices down the left-hand side of the pastry. Sprinkle with icing sugar and cinnamon. Repeat this process 2 more times, positioning your apple slices in the centre and then on the right-hand side. Finish it off with 2 more layers of buttered pastry, then carefully roll tightly to form a log. Cut the log in half lengthwise using a sharp knife. Position the 2 halves together and twist them to create a plait. Transfer the twist to a baking tray and butter well. A packet of Fillo Pastry is enough to create 2 of these twists. Bake until golden, sprinkle with icing sugar, and enjoy those delicious crispy layers. You can find the recipe on our website.